Do your best every day, because even if no one sees it, God sees it, and that is what really matters. Don't expect recognition, because your greatest achievement is maintaining your integrity, even in silence. The world may not notice your struggles, but God knows every effort, every tear swallowed and every sacrifice made in secret. Remember, it is not the applause that defines your worth, but the truth of your heart and the strength of your soul. This strength grows every time you choose to continue. Don't let challenges define you, they are just steps that take you higher. Make each day a test of your faith and courage. Life is built on details, sweat, fatigue, and it is in this place that God acts. What you do in secret, He transforms into victories that no one can take away. Don't give up. What you plant today, whether in tears or sweat, will be harvested with joy. So keep going, trusting that every silent effort and every battle fought in secret is shaping a future of purpose and fulfillment. God never forgets what is done with faith and dedication. In due time, the seeds you plant will bear abundant fruit, and the joy of the harvest will be greater than any sacrifices you made along the way. Remain faithful, for your reward will come from the hand of the one who sees all and honors all.